guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this FREK edit on CapCut. So you'll need these three videos: a video of like an artist or something, this overlay which I got on TikTok, just search freak edit overlay and you'll find lots of it, and this black stock video background. Just going to resize it so it fits the whole scene. Alright, you're going to want to select this bit and then select overlay. So select the clip first and move it to overlay. Then you're going to go to splice and go select filter and put this black background at the beginning of the video and extend it until the flash starts coming up. Select the video and go to speed, go to normal, and have the slow motion to around 0.5x speed or 0.4. I'm just going to then select better quality and select the checkmark button and wait for the smooth slow motion to apply. If your video is already on like slow motion and it's a little slower than that, you don't need to apply this. But when you apply the auto velocity later, you want the velocity to be a bit slower. So we're just going to apply this first. Select the video, go to style, and select auto velocity. Okay, I guess you can't. Oh, okay, you can. So, and then when the like FRE starts, this is where the auto velocity will start. Then you're going to kind of split it when the AK starts. So split and then copy and paste this. Oops, so copy, where is that? There. And move it to the second like clip here. And then AK, and then you're just going to crop it again here, and then it's going to have the video again. If it's slow, you can just adjust the video like so, RE, and then you're just going to delete the rest of the video like so. And this is the final result. Every time he leaves me alone, he wanna FRE AKFRE. Okay, sorry, I had to do it manually because I'm gonna get, well, I can't use songs. But that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.